Welcome! This video will assist you in the process of installing your Ingersoll-Rand HandPunch GT400 to a hollow-backed wall. For installation on a solid wall, please consult with a licensed contractor. It is recommended that the installer use the Quick Start Guide in addition to this video for reference during the actual installation. First, select a location for installation. For optimum safety and performance, the terminal should be out of the path of pedestrian and vehicular traffic. Make sure that the terminal is not exposed to excessive airborne dust, direct sunlight, water, or chemicals. Items need to be laid out on a soft, flat surface to prevent scratching or damaging the unit. Insert 2 fingers into the hole and slide it down to remove the wall plate. Set the wall plate aside. Before proceeding, please take appropriate safety precautions. Measure and mark a point 49 inches from the surface of the finished floor. This point is used by the leveling hole where the top center point of the terminal should be mounted. At 49 inches, the unit's platen will be 40 inches from the floor. This height conforms to the Americans with Disabilities Act standards. All terminals within a site should be placed at the same height. For a hollow wall, drive a small nail into the wall at the mark. Hang the wall plate from the leveling hole located near the top of the wall plate. Use a bubble level to ensure that the wall plate is level. Mark the locations of the 2 upper mounting holes and the 2 lower mounting holes. For a concealed wiring connection through the wall, mark the rear cable entry hole on the wall plate. Remove the wall plate and nail. For a concealed wiring connection, drill a 1/2-inch hole in the center of the outlined rear cable entry hole. For a surface conduit wiring connection option, please see the Terminal User's Guide. Install the 4 auger-style fasteners that have been provided into the mounting hole locations. Then use the 4 provided screws to attach the plate to the wall. Clear all dust and debris away from the terminal mounting location. Please note that the following directions and provided hardware are for installation on a hollow wall only. For installation on a solid wall, please consult with a licensed contractor. Use caution when making connections to the backboard to avoid damage. Be aware of possible damage due to electrostatic discharge, especially when working on carpeted surfaces or in dry environments. Use a ground strap to minimize ESD concerns. Follow all local electrical codes when routing wire and making the terminal connections. You will need a minimum of 17 inches to connect properly. Gently pick up the unit and take it to the wall. Slide the unit onto the hooks. There are several options for running the wiring to the terminal. Wiring may be run through the hole in the wall plate. Wiring may be run through the slot in the terminal. Or see Terminal User's Guide for wiring through the battery cover. Run wiring through using whatever method you choose. Tuck wires under the tabs on the terminal to minimize risk of crimping wires. Do not apply power until you are ready to configure the terminal. Connect the earth ground. The earth ground connection is made to the ground pin on the back plate with an 832 nut. Connect the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet connection socket inside the terminal casing. If using backup battery, locate the backup battery connector. It may be connected now. Make other backboard connections as necessary. Rotate the terminal toward the wall plate until it is flush with the wall. Make sure not to pinch or damage any wiring. Make sure that the screw holes in the body of the terminal are aligned with the screw holes in the wall plate. Choose the standard Phillips head screws or the security head screws for installation. Note that a special tool is required to install and remove a security head screw. Install 2 screws into the lower screw holes. To install the side covers, place the outside ridge of the cover under the edge of the terminal body. Then rotate the side cover toward the terminal body until it snaps into place. The terminal may now be powered up and is ready for network configurations. This concludes the installation video. More information can be found in your user manual by calling customer service or on our website.